my way to the airport.
Doon na tayo sa doon na tayo sa employee entrance mag-park para may hatid kita dun sa security. Yes.
Talaga? Thank you. Ang spoiled ko naman dito sa Canada.
May Amsterdam Rail please. Kapasok ka na ba? Pasok na lang.
Ano ba? Maaga pa ba? Oops. What? Naman. This is Cookies by George. Baking since 1981. Proudly kanina. Let's see. Domestic business cooking Flying WestJet. Thank you po kay mga friends. Alam niyo naman, list tayo sa mga kaibigan. So, meron ng body pass. Go to Vancouver. Sa Jumla Landing. I'm really excited to see her. So, almost isang taon din nawala na ako nang malis ako sa lahat. Tapos mayroong family member naman kita natin. So, nauna na, youngest. Youngest muna. One by one. Una na si Al. And syempre, mami niya. Stress eating. May kasamang hinintay ng kami. Ang kabok mo. Ang kabok mo. Kain ka more. Lalaki man ako ng coffee. Blue. Naka-green yung ice niya. Ano na ako tingnan? Pimple na ako, kakaharap ko. So, pag-isip-isip ko, i-compare yung JetBlue at saka sa WestJet. Tingnan natin kung may wifi yung WestJet, kung unlimited yung drinks, and unlimited yung snack. And kung may charger yung upuan. I mean charger as in talagang literal na socket, hindi pang ano lang naman to, for airline comparison. Siyempre, thankful, both free yun. Parehas ang body pass. Pero tingnan ko lang yung difference ng airline. Kung ano nga ba talaga. Pero, ang masasabi ko, yung mas mahigpit dito sa Canada. Parang ilang security check ang dinaan. Maiksi lang yung security nila. Pero, parang isa, dalawa, beses siniscan. Compared sa US, pag nascan ka na ng isang beses, tapos dadaan ka na doon sa human x-ray, okay na yun. Pero dito, upon entry, scan. Kaya ako kahina-hina lang. Na-scan yung bag. After na, check ulit. So, in terms of security, mas grabe yung security dito sa akin. So, yung airline na lang. Ayos talagang pangarap. Pag nagawa ko pa yung ewan ko, feeling ko na talaga siguro yung dream ko. Hindi talaga yung unang course na gusto ko kasi hindi ako inanap kasi yung layo na yung airport sa bahay namin sa Pilipinas. Baka naman dito, may chance. So, dyan, hindi na pala ako kakain. Diet na ako ngayon. Kasi nang gusto na. Waiting na tayo. Let's go to our gate.
Although I can get this one later.
Seat place. Exit row. My favorite. More leg room and a window seat. Exit row.
Thanks, sir. Hi there.
Hi.
And you're okay with the responsibilities of the emergency exit row?
Yes.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Hi there.
Yes, yes.
You'll see a Pro 4 and the Epic is here at the front. Your safety is important to us. We ask for your attention as we review the following safety information. There's a safety features card located at your seat which indicates safety features of this aircraft. Please take it out and follow along as we cover some very important information. Seatbelt and no smoking signs are visible throughout the cabin. Please comply with them at all times. Smoking, including e-cigarettes and vaporizers, as well as consuming your own alcohol, including duty-free, is prohibited. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your hips. To fasten, insert 7 p.m. As we taxi to the gate, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and all carry-on baggage stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned on. Smoking is only permitted in designated smoking areas. You may now connect your personal electronic device to a network. Any guest to WestJet agent inside the terminal will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the crew and everyone here at WestJet, we thank you so much for flying with us today. We appreciate your continued support and trust, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Have a good night.
Just landed in Vancouver and now we're waiting for the arrival of my baby. We have 15 to 20 minutes interval. And yun, lilipat naman ako sa arrival para i-surprise siya. I'm medyo excited. Gusto ko kasi siya surprise eh. Or baka ako yung ma-surprise. Buong flight daw umiiyak kasi siya. Sad siya. Wow. It's airport. Pa isang ticket. Ini pa isang ticket. For my baby, I'm looking for my baby. So I needed to transfer from domestic to international flights. Oh. Saan ba yun? Naligaw yata ako sa instructions. Walk in. On my way to my baby. Tim Hortons. Tim Hortons. We'll wait for it. Ito ba? Pasalubong ba na ba? Saan? Saan?
Pipila pa daw po sila sa immigration. Haba
Okay.
daw po ng pila.
Sa immigration. Sige lang.
在这里啊，荧幕在这里啊。
Ready? Get set. Ready? Get set. Go! Oh, talaga po? 1 year? Wow! Wait for Ate Cara. You blow your ano. Blow this one. Get set, go! Blow, blow, blow. Hindi naman niya siguro makikita yung story ko. Busy siya sa luggage. We are all waiting. So, nagkulot-kulutan tayo para sa disguise. At hindi tayo gumamit ng yung damit ko na hindi pa niya nakikita. Para naman ma-surprise naman siya. So, video ko muna siya na sinundo siya ng lolo niya, ng mga tita niya. Tapos, tsaka ako sasabihin na nandito ako. Waiting. Waiting.
Ito na, malapit na.
Wait lang. Video ako lang. Naka-video ako.
Mamaya.
May malaki akong baby alive.
Upo. Dali ka, mamaya.
May malaki akong baby alive.
Upo ka muna dito, upo ka muna.
Okay?
Sandal ka.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Open mo na! Open na, baby! Kara!
Tara.
Open! Come on, 1, 2, 3, go! Ah!
Ikaw din.
Laki ng baby alive mo, Kara, no?
Akin na to.
Sabi ko sa'yo, wag ka na mag-try sa airplane. Nandito ako sa airport pag landing.
O ikaw din. Hug ka rin, hug.
Huggy, huggy. Huggy!
Welcome to Canada, anak. Oh, nasa Canada ka na. Happy ka na? Happy
Uwi
ka
ka
na?
na ulit.
Uwi na tayo.
Uwi na ulit.
Sa Providence.
Uwi na, Provident.
Papasyal muna tayo.
Who is this, Dean? Who is this?
Welcome to Vancouver.
Dapat mag-picture kayo na may ano po.
Sa green, sige. Okay, saan yon?
Dito. Moving up.
Hindi ko na na-video. Madaling-madali. Ayun, ang layo na. So, nawala na po si Cara. Super excited siya. So, dyan nagtatapos siyang ating salubong sa airport. Super excited nandun na sa car. Tag-iisa kami. Let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Do you know where I want to be a gymnast?
A gymnast? You want to be a gymnast?
Mabuhat-buhat ka eh.
Bye-bye!
Pala, Mara.
Kara, malamig sa labas.
Sa totoo, Kara, magte-trend talaga tayo.
Wala.
Talaga tayo sasakay sa train.
Wow!
Hindi tayo sasakay.
Sama?
Kara.
Si train na yan.
Nagtitrain tayo.
Ayaw mo.
Kara. Kara.
Baby, are you happy? Ha? Happy? You're in Canada na? Uwi na tayong Provident. Uwi na tayo. Nanap tayo ni Casey dun.
Kara, mag-English ka na daw, sabi ni Mama.
No more Tagalog.
No more Tagalog na.
French. You study French. Wow! Parang first time ako makakasakay sa Tesla. Ay, Kara, magpa-picture muna tayo sa car.
Picture mo na daw.
Magpa-picture muna tayo sa car. Tesla yan, baby! That's Tesla! It's my first time.
Kara, hold this up.
You know it's a Tesla?
Kara, hold this, baby.
Jelly.
Jelly, sabihin mo masyadong malaki yung bagahe sa amin, di kasha.
Hindi kasi yung bagahe.
Hindi na kami makakaalis sa
Hindi
airport.
kasha yung bagahe.
My baby, riding a Tesla!
Bingat, ano to?
Ganito. Tanggalin mo ulit natin. Kara, wait.
Paano?
Turong ko sa'yo na siya.
Yan.
Ay,
Yan po.
oh my God. Nice car! Wow! Baby, naka-car seat ka dito.
Kailangan naka-car seat ka.
Okay. Wow! Welcome to Canada!
No boyfriend.
No boyfriend? Why?
Sabi ni Daddy, hug and kiss nanay for Daddy.
Sabi niya?
Yes.
Aww, sweet naman. I miss you, I miss you.
I miss you, nanay.
Spanish.
In 2 kilometers, keep left to stay on BC 91 South.
Kara, dadaling ka namin to.
Super charger.
Can we go to have a star? Can we
Yan pa lang, wala nang...
Tao sa labas.
So, magcha-charge tayo ng car. Baby, dyan ka lang.
Teka.
Wanna go down?
Huwag ka nakakalis.
Uwi na tayong Provident.
Yan na.
Baka makarating yung Tesla dun.
Ito po, tito. Pindutin niya lang.
And then,
Kasi na po.
saan ko lalagay?
Ano po? Pindot po dito po.
Okay, and then,
Tapos bubukas po ito mag-isa.
ay!
Tapos lalagay niya.
Oh! Wow! This is our stop. Yummy? Mm.
Hi, baby.
What's the name of the cake? What's the name of the cake?
Chocomucho bastito?
Chocomucho. Pustahan kami. Sabi niya, abot na ng game 3. Wow!
35.
Kirby,
35. Sit. Sit. Sit.
down.
Sit.
Kirby.
Oh, you eh. Handshake? Kirby, handshake. Kirby.
Kirby. Kirby, handshake. Kirby, handshake.
Ayaw. Kirby, let's sleep na. Magkakapit pa si nanay. Bilisan mo. Tara. You finish this. Come on, make it fast. Mahiwagang salamin. Hindi ko kaya yung ginagawa niyo. Kailangan pa aaminin. Teach me. Paano? Mahiwagang salamin. Sleep na tayo. Sleep na tayo. Sleep na. Ang daya mo, ikaw may jet lag ka. Ako alauna na, intok na si nanay.
Hindi ako antok.
Ang ganyan. Sleep na tayo. Child of God,
Angel of God,
my guardian dear,
my guardian dear,
to whom God's love
to whom God's love
commits me here.
commits me here.
Ever this day,
Ever this day,
be at my side,
be at my side,
to light and guard,
light and guard,
to rule and guide.
to rule and guide.
Amen.
Amen.
Good night, baby. I love you. Pasal
Nanay
tayo
naman.
bukas. Sleep early na.
Nakalimutan mo yung Hail Mary.
Ah, may Hail Mary pa?
Mm.
Ah, sige, Hail Mary. Ah, paano yung Hail Mary? Turuan mo si nanay.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Woman, gift of fruit and home, Jesus. Holy Mary, and my God, for bless sinners now, our death. Amen.
Amen. Very good. What are you want? Sleep na tayo. Sleep na tayo. Sleep na tayo, please. Vlog na tayo, baby. Mag-shopping tayo bukas. Mag-shopping. Di na tayo mag-shopping. Sige ka. Mapupuyat si nanay. Hindi tayo makakapag-shopping. Anong gusto mo? Mag-shopping tayo o mag-iPad ka? iPad or shopping? Ano? iPad or shopping?
I slay all day. Oh my gosh, it's Rudolph!
Hey.
Rudolph!